Well, Marcus, what's the focus been this week? What have you guys been doing?
Getting back and healthy. We've had a pretty good stretch here at the end of the season, so we're just getting back.
You guys, starting to watch film and that kind of stuff, or just worrying about yourselves, getting your bodies right and school right and all that stuff?
Definitely. I mean, finals week's coming up. We've been watching a lot of film too, though. Just at least the O-line has. It's been a good week for us.
You guys already have their whole season ready to go and able to watch and all that stuff?
Definitely. Our film guys do a great job of getting it all available to us as soon as possible.
Was first impression as you started to watch?
Good team defense.
What do they look like? What kinds of things do they do? What do we want to expect from them?
I think the linebackers make a lot of plays, a lot of run through. They're an aggressive defense.
How nice has it been to be able to catch your breath a little bit? You guys had a really big grind there, and every week was this must-win game every week, and to get a couple days here to be able to focus on school and get your bodies in shape. How nice has it been to not be right back out on the practice field?
It's definitely been nice. I mean, like you said, it was quite a grind at the second half of the season. I think everyone's getting healthy. Everyone's getting better. I mean, obviously finals week coming up. School's a big part of this week.
You're just still like doing weight training sessions and stuff, right, or conditioning stuff? Or?
Yeah, definitely. We've been hitting it pretty hard. I mean, we had a pretty good run yesterday.
What is the schedule the next week or so? How much are you guys going to practice?
I think we practice quite a bit. We got 2 back-to-back days, Saturday and Sunday, and then I think it's every other day from here on out.
We got finals next week, right?
Yep.
How much does that kind of dominate your guys' lives here for the next 10 days, trying to get finals done?
Yeah, a little bit. I mean, you can only study so much during the day. I mean, take an hour off here or there to lift or watch film. It's not going to affect you that much for the final.
When you look at Arizona, is there anybody's defense style-wise that they remind you of that we played?
Style-wise, I don't know. They do. I mean, I think Arizona's kind of their own thing. I mean, they don't move around as much as some of the other teams. They don't blitz as much, but they play a very good, solid, sound defense. Their linebackers make a lot of plays. We got some playmakers.
You came in with Jeff Worthy. Going to be strange to be blocking him on the other side?
I think it'd be fun. I mean, I haven't talked to Jeff in about a year now. I'm looking forward to see him.
And obviously a lot of attention down there on Scooby Wright. He's a pass rusher, but he's also a middle linebacker. So what's that matchup going to be like for you? How much are you going to see of him?
We'll just watch the film so far. He's a really good pass rusher, great player. I don't know how much I'll see him just because they play 3-3, true 3-3 defense. So, I mean, I'm going to be covered up the majority of the time.
Playing Ole Miss, another power conference football team earlier this season, does that help you guys at all, or is every opponent different?
I think every opponent's different. I mean, it changes week to week. I mean, everyone's good. It's not just because we're in the Mountain West that teams don't even match up. But I think this is going to be a good challenge for us.
What does this mean to you personally to get to go play in a Fiesta Bowl?
I mean, just coming to Boise State. I mean, you hear all about the Fiesta Bowls that we've been to, and this is kind of a dream come true for like all the guys who have ever come here.
A lot of these coaches, have deep ties to this program. What are you seeing out of those guys, and where does maybe some of that history with this program and how much they care? Where do you see that show up?
I mean, they definitely have a passion for coaching us. I mean, this is the place that they want to be. I think this is where all the coaches really want it to end up.
You got the 2 Fiesta Bowl trophies down in the trophy cases. That other trophy case, I'm sure they can slide some room over for a third one. How big is it to not only be in this game, but how bad do you guys actually want to win this and be on the national stage and kind of finish this thing off right?
I mean, this has been one of our goals since the beginning. When we have it on the board inside to win the Mountain West Championship and a bowl game. I mean, this is a big one too. So this is all goal of everyone.
Last couple of times, you guys have really been on the national stage. The bowl game, the Washington game last year, some of these other big games, Ole Miss. Really hasn't gone your way, I guess. How big is it from that standpoint, maybe to have an opportunity to beat a top 10 team and really have kind of a statement win for this program?
I think it's huge. I mean, Arizona's a great football team. It's going to be a great challenge for us. We're always out to prove something too.
You've played in 2 Vegas Bowls and one Hawaii Bowl. What do you think should be different about the Fiesta Bowl?
Honestly, I don't really know what to expect. I mean, a lot of the guys who played in the Fiesta Bowl back in 2009 have graduated now, so I'm kind of approaching it with an open mind.
You end up being all Mountain West this year. What would that honor mean to you?
It means a lot. I mean, made my dad really proud, which was awesome. It's a great honor to be honored by all the coaches, all the press who voted on it.
How many members of the family coming down from Seattle?
I have about 10 people, I think, coming to the game, so all my tickets are used up. Trying to find more always.
if you go back to like 2002 or 2003 when people came in as freshmen, if you count red shirts, you know, every class from or guys that came in from then to now can claim that they will have gone to a Fiesta Bowl. How big is that for this program, just to show the consistency you guys have been able to have over the years?
I think that's huge. I mean, especially for recruiting. I mean, I know that was a big thing for me coming in. Like, I wanted to be on the big stage playing a big bowl game.
What's the ticket market like in the locker room?
It's tight. There's not that many tickets available. I mean, everyone has family coming from all over to come to this game.